Ho ho ho! It's time to add Galliano back to the liquor lineup with this tasty holiday drink. It's December and in my house that means tasty holiday drinks. And I'm making you 25 straight days of cocktails so you're ready for any upcoming party or to give you an extra cocktail tool to get you through the holiday season. And if you enjoy these short form cocktail videos and want to be notified each day I drop a video, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. And for day 21, I am making the Golden Cadillac. And since we're 4 days away from Christmas, I need to know once and for all, is Die Hard a Christmas movie? Let me know in the comments. Anyways, let's head to the bar and make this cocktail. So for this drink, I'm gonna be using Galliano. Additionally, I'm going to be using white crème de cocoa. I need to use heavy cream as well as freshly shaved chocolate. And the tools I'll be using for this drink are a shaker set as well as a Hawthorne strainer. Everything I use in my bar as well as in this drink are linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. Starting with the shaker, I'll be adding in 2 ounces of Galliano. Next, I'm pouring in 2 ounces of white crème de cocoa. And lastly, I'm pouring in 2 ounces of heavy cream. Time to add ice to the shaker and shake for about 10 to 15 seconds or until the shaker is well chilled. Now strain everything into a coupe glass. And time to sprinkle this drink with chocolate shavings. And there you have it, the Golden Cadillac. Cheers. This is actually surprisingly good. I know I've said it in the past, but I really enjoy Galliano, and adding Galliano with the crème de cocoa as well as the heavy cream really blend well together. Don't get me wrong, the Galliano really comes through, but it's very well balanced. It's a sweet drink, but kind of earthy, and that's the only way I could explain it. Either way, I highly recommend it, and if you have Galliano laying around, definitely make this drink. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and in the comments, let me know if you would try this drink. Have you tried this drink? Will you try this drink? Additionally, please consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified of upcoming videos. I make videos and shorts each week, and the support means a lot. But until next time, cheers.